Hello guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode we have a new installation from the company OEDRO. We have this bed cover. We're gonna do the installation on this 2021 Ram 3500, and we have the dually of course, but we need the bed cover. Let me open the package and I'm gonna do the installation. This cover is for the 8-foot bed, so this is the long one, and very simple installation. I'm gonna show you in a minute. We're gonna open it and make it happen, put it on. Bye.
No, güey. Va, habla para atrás. Habla la que yo. Bájale.
When you do the installation, you're gonna have these 4 slots. It depends on the size of your bed. You just need to put it on the slot so you can attach this part to the rail, or if your bed is a little bit smaller, you can do it on that one, or the last one. So you have 4 slots to get the bed tight. Same thing on the one in the middle, and you have the little strap on the rear.
Porque ya está allá.
I have the 2 straps right there, and the only thing we need to do is get these ones tight. And if you unroll your bed cover, you can just secure it in here. Pretty simple installation, but let's put it all the way so you can see how it looks. How was mommy? On this one, you can move it probably on the second one. It's gonna fit. Move it on the second one and put it under. Just press it. Once it's in there, push it down and you can secure it. So this is the easy one. So when you unfold the cover bed, you can just remove it and put it back on. If you need to get it more tight, you can just twist it to the left, to the right. It depends if you want to loosen it up or tighten them up, but I think right there is fine, and we just secure it. Also in this kit you're gonna have a little lamp. You wanna attach this to whatever you need on the bed. Fortunately this truck has LEDs already, so we don't have to worry about that. These ones, same thing with this. You just put it on, lock it in place. You're gonna have this foam if you want to seal the bed, probably on the front, and you're gonna have these ones. They're gonna go right here inside so you don't scratch it, but we don't worry about these. This is a work truck, but if you want to put this foam, you can put it in there on the little latches. The instructions is right there. You can put it underneath so you don't scratch the bed, but like I said, we don't worry about that. And this is gonna be some extra hooks in case that you break those. You can replace it with these 2. Now let's close it. Let's see how it looks. Also, you're gonna have 2 more of these little metal inserts. In case that you damage those or you lost some, you can replace it with this. The bed is still a little loose. I'm gonna get the hooks a little bit tight on this and on this too, because yeah, it's still a little loose. But you have a rubber seal in it. Just make sure that you tighten it more. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Get it tight so it doesn't move and water doesn't go in. And this is how it looks. Now let me show you how to unfold it, so you can see how long it takes. And then I'm gonna put it all the way to that side so I can get this one started, like I said. But let me show you how easy it is to unfold it.
Bueno, llega de la escuela, pero igual en el cuarto, nomás en el teléfono. Y le digo, Christopher, salte un rato con la niña, conmigo. Se sale 10 minutos y se vuelve a meter todo el día.
Igual así está también. Estamos igualitos. Damián está igualito.
Traigo toda la cosa. Y ves que yo compré por la nada, entonces déjala traigo.
¿No quedó? ¿No quedó?
Sí. Nada más le estoy enseñando qué rápido es bajar. Okay, as you can see, probably these ones, like I said, I'm just gonna get them a little bit more tight to seal it all the way around, because I want to make sure that this rubber seal, you press it down a little bit more to have a good seal and water doesn't go in it. That one too. I'm gonna do the same on the first ones, and I can put this down. Okay guys, installation is done. I just like I said, I twist them. I try to align everything just perfect, and there you have it. Seals really good. Just make sure that you align the whole cover all the way. Also on this part, don't go all the way to the end, because you're gonna scratch the back of your cap. And other than that, make sure that you align everything. Shouldn't have any problems. And this is the installation on the bed cover from OEDRO. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for this bed cover. This is for a 2021 Dodge 3500. Even though it's the dually, this one fits right in here. So link in the description if you have one of these, but also in the description you're gonna have for the 1500, 2500, 3500, even the dually. This bed cover fits just right. Okay guys, I'll leave it with that. Link in the description if you wanna get it. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.